Is your Facebook profile full of old posts, embarrassing photos, or outdated content? What if I told you you can delete multiple Facebook posts, photos, and albums at once instead of deleting one by one? Today, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to clean your Facebook profile in minutes. Stay till the end. This trick saves hours of manual work. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, the channel where we help you control your digital life the smart way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Facebook posts, photos, and full albums in bulk using the official Facebook app. No third-party tools. No risk. 100% safe method. Let's begin. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to clean. Step 2. Open menu. Tap on the three-dot menu or menu icon. Step 3. Go to your profile. Now tap on your profile. This opens your personal timeline. Step 4. Open Photos section. Scroll slightly and tap on Photos. Here you'll see all your uploaded content. Step 5. Select album or photos. Now tap on Albums. Choose the album you want to delete, or select specific photos you want to remove. Step 6. Tap three dots. Inside the album or photo view, tap the three-dot menu. Before we jump into the steps, if you want more Facebook privacy tricks, account cleanup tips, security guides, and growth tutorials, subscribe to PreyoPhonie. Like this video to support the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss powerful updates. Now let's clean your profile. Step 7. Delete. Now tap Delete. Confirm again. Boom. Your album or selected photos are permanently deleted. Why this method is powerful? Using this method helps you clean old embarrassing posts, remove unnecessary photos, protect your privacy, improve profile appearance, prepare your account for professional use, make your Facebook look fresh and clean, perfect for job seekers, content creators, business branding, privacy-focused users. Important warning: transparency. Once deleted, you cannot recover those photos or albums. Data is permanently removed, so always double-check before deleting. Now you know how to delete Facebook posts, photos, and albums quickly and take full control of your profile. Remember, a clean profile is a powerful profile. If this video helped you, like it, share with friends, subscribe to PreyoPhonie, because here, we don't scroll randomly. We control our digital life. See you in the next Facebook Master tutorial.